And I'm Paul.
And we just remodeled our master bath. Paul really wanted to do it, and I'm the one who had some time, so one day after going to Costco, I just happened to stop into Bullrun Kitchen and Bath and met Matt and talked to him a little bit about the fact that I was just beginning my search of looking for remodeling a bathroom. I did look at some other remodelers, but after Matt presented his design and explained how they do the work, I was really impressed with the professionalism and the organization, and felt like we were getting the most value for the money with going with Bullrun Kitchen and Bath. So we started the process of selecting everything that needed to be selected, and Matt was very helpful during that process. We then waited for the start date because, of course, a lot of the things that needed to be ordered have a long wait time. So once we were able to schedule, Matt got us set up with one of his lead crews, who was absolutely outstanding. Gentleman named Edwin was just fantastic. Really put a lot of effort into every detail, and I was impressed with how often he came and asked me my preference on how he would do something when there was more than one choice. You'd be surprised. You probably need to be there when they're remodeling, just because there's so many little minute choices to make that most people probably wouldn't think about, and maybe would be just fine any way it was done. But if you were given the choice, then you think about the pros and cons, and it winds up exactly as you want it to be. We're very pleased with the finished result. It's a beautiful bathroom, very different than our former bathroom, which was the age of the house, about 30 years. "95% of our remodel went without any significant issues. The last 5% was pretty difficult. I'm not going to go into all the details of what went wrong, but one thing goes wrong and it sends a series of things that wind up going wrong as a result. I was extremely pleased with how Matt handled the issue when they occurred, because each time he did exactly what I thought the best possible solution was, and he didn't take the easy way out. And we wound up with a great result, even though it was a little bit difficult process. So knowing that he was taking care of us to make sure we got the best quality and done the best way was really important.
I want to thank Matt and his crew at Bullrun Kitchen and Bath for the excellent job that they did modeling our bathroom, and would highly recommend them to anybody who asks to do a remodel.